So this is the lolly petal. We're taking it curved side up, diamond shape. We're going to bring that top tip to the bottom tip. So we just have a big triangle. So I'm taking that tip. I'm going to put it at a line. Taking my right hand, I'm going to hold this down as I stretch that mesh. And then I'm going 1, 2, 3 inches. And we're going to pinch right there in the middle. And then bring our edges together. Just like that. And then we're going to take our edge, put it up to the ceiling, and just walk it in, y'all. Don't overthink it. Just smash it in. Smush it, smash it, whatever you want to do. We're going to do the same thing here. Take that edge up to the ceiling. Walk it in. So I'm trying to get those points all to the same length. And then I'm going to grab my band. And we're just going to band it closed. So all you're going to do is go up in the middle and push it out and just kind of work with it. And there's your lolly petal.